Hey guys, welcome back to Yackle-Fishing. Today we're going to be fishing for largemouth bass in Colorado. Hope you enjoy the video even though my camera angles weren't the best, and I'll see you there. First fish of the day. Second fish of the day.
Nice catch.
Thanks. Third fish. I'm gonna weigh it. Good fish, guys. Put her on the scale real quick. Locked in at 2 pounds, 9 ounces. Let's get her back in the water. Woo. Good fish. Get this big girl back in the water. Oh yeah. Got another dink. Nice little bluegill on the rooster tail.